So, daily vlogging with the GoPro and the gimbal. So, I kind of at the start of this series said I thought this was going to be the best, but as we've gone on, things and views have changed slightly. This is a very good way of vlogging, but once again we face the same problem. There's no screen, so I don't know what actually you're seeing on here. Now it's handy with this because if I'm out and about and we're walking around, then it's always nice and stable. So that's one of the benefits of it. So that's always handy. We go in to do stuff, and then when you're at home, you don't really need the base, do you? That's the problem. And there's no way for what do you call them? What do they call them? What do they call them? Tripod. Stick with me, kids. There's no room for a tripod. But then I suppose you wouldn't need any cool gimbal-like thingy because, well, it'd just be sat down, wouldn't it? So you don't even need anything. So what has this got going for it? It's an expensive setup. So that's one thing that's not going for it. And you've started your list completely wrong. I'm trying to actually do something at the same time, like you would do if you were daily vlogging. This is like a more of a moving about, doing stuff, daily vlogger. But you have to hold it in your hand. When you got one hand to do whatever you're trying to vlog about, in which this case is opening a bottle of Kamra. Shit. So that's one of the perks. You can move around whilst vlogging and it's nice and smooth. I don't know if it is really the best vlogging camera. The camera itself's great quality and it has like a nice big picture area here, so even if it's like really close to you, which you can probably see in my glasses, you still get the full picture of everything that's going around, so that's handy. The sound quality, if you can hear me, isn't very good, and the actual gimbal itself makes a little bit of a noise, which is very annoying. But I think, I keep on changing my mind, don't I? I think if you're moving around, then I suppose this or the Osmo Mobile has to be the best. This is better than the Osmo Mobile as a action camera. The Osmo Mobile is better as a professional camera. And I have just been looking at the Osmo site, and there's the Osmo Mobile 2 out, so we're going to try and get our hands on one of those. Also, I have been debating the other Osmo with the built-in camera. What's that called? If you know, leave it in the comments below, because I've just had a brainwash. What's it called? It's just called the Osmo. It is just called the Osmo. You're an idiot. So, we could conclude our video here. I do have a mirror in my kitchen. If you've seen any of my videos before, you've probably seen my mirror. And we'll just demonstrate actually, though possibly not the best vlogging camera, how good this gimbal is. So I'm going to spin you around, I'm going to say goodbye, and we'll catch you later.